Welcome friends in the new series of most expected current affairs questions for upcoming various exams like NDA CDS 2020. This is for the month of July, part 1. Question 1. Which of the statements is true about Raitu Dinostavam? Statements are Raitu Dinostavam means Farmers' Day. It is celebrated on 8th July. The day was first celebrated in 2019. It is celebrated in Andhra Pradesh. Now the options are only one is correct, only 1 and 2, only 1, 2 and 3, or all are correct. July 8th, the birth anniversary of former and 14th Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, is celebrated as Raitu Dinostavam, meaning Farmers' Day. The day was first celebrated in 2019. So, all the options are correct. Question 2. Iota NM1 was in news because it is a Chinese weapon of mass destruction. It's Japan's first mission to Mars project. It's world's second largest uptime Tier 4 designed data center. It's the fastest supercomputer of India. The correct option is C. India's and Asia's largest and world's second largest uptime Tier 4 design data center, which was virtually inaugurated on 7th of July. It is located in Navi Mumbai, Panvel. Question 3. Which of the following statement is not true for 2020 edition ranking in Global Real Estate Transparency Index GREET? Options are: first, India ranked 34th. Second, United Kingdom has been ranked at first. Third, Australia has been ranked third. And fourth, China ranked second. The correct option is option fourth, because the rank of China is 32nd with overall score of 2.59. Question 4. Jair Bolsonaro test positive for coronavirus. He is the president of this country. Options are Brazil, Australia, Sweden, Mexico. The correct option is A. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro tested positive for COVID-19 on July 7th. Question 5. Indian Railway has decided to take essential steps to transform itself into a net zero carbon emission transportation network by which year? Options are 2025, 2030, 2035, or 2040. The correct option is 2030. Question 6. Who has been appointed as a chairperson of the International Financial Service Center Authority IFSCA by the Appointment Committee of the Cabinet? Options are T.N. Chaturvedi, Injeti Srinivas, Vinod Rai, Smita Sabharwal. The correct option is option B, Injeti Srinivas. He is appointed for a period of 3 years. Question 7. Which two countries became the first two countries from the Southeast Asia region of WHO to have successfully eliminated both the measles and rubella virus? Options are India and Vietnam, Sri Lanka and Maldives, India and Sri Lanka, and Maldives and Vietnam. The correct option is B. Geneva-based World Health Organization has announced on 8th July that Sri Lanka and the Maldives have eliminated rubella virus. Question 8. BLUIS was recently in news because its Bhubaneswar Land Use Intelligence System, Bharat Low Underground Investigation System, Bihar Land Under Irrigation System, Bangalore Laser Ultratech Identification Syntax. The correct option is A. To monitor all government land in the state capital Bhubaneswar, web and mobile based solution named BLUIS was launched on 8th of July. Question 9. The Indian Navy began Mission Sagar to extend India's helping hand across the Indian Ocean. Which of the following point is not true about it? Options are: in 49 days, INS Kesari travelled 7,500 nautical miles. The mission Sagar was launched on 10th June 2020. Special consignment of Ayurvedic medicine delivered at Mauritius. Hydroxychloroquine delivered at Madagascar and Comoros Islands. The correct option is B. The mission Sagar was launched on 10th May 2020, and after 49 days the mission was successfully completed on 28th of June. Question 10. Which is true about Indian Navy's operation Samudra Setu? Options are: INS Jal Ashwa played a major role in it, launched on 5th May 2020 and lasted 55 days. 3,992 Indian citizens were brought back to their homeland. There were no incident of outbreak of the COVID-19 infection during this operation. Now the options are: only A and B are true, only A, B and C are true, only A, C and D are true, or all A, B, C, D are true. The correct option is option 4. All A, B, C and D options are true. Question 11. Name the largest butterfly in India. Options are: southern birdwing, golden birdwing, brush-footed butterflies, or Danaine. The correct option is B. For the last 88 years, southern birdwing butterfly is considered the largest butterfly in India. But recently, with new measurements of Himalayan butterfly named golden birdwing, became the largest butterfly in India. Question 12. Which Indian state became first to have LPG connections to every household in their state? Options are: Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Himachal Pradesh, or Haryana. The correct option is C. The Himachal Grihini Suvidha Yojana was launched back in May 2018 for providing LPG gas connections to householders that were left out under the Ujjwala Yojana of the central government. Question 13. Where is the largest single site solar power project in India and also in Asia, which will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 10th July 2020? The options are: Nabha Punjab, Rewa Madhya Pradesh, Narora Uttar Pradesh, Jaisalmer Rajasthan. The correct option is B. The 750 megawatt Rewa Ultra Mega Solar Power Project, the largest single site solar power project in India and also in Asia. Question 14. Which Indian state had recently inaugurated the mega plantation program Mission Vriksharopan 2020 with the target to plant 25 crore saplings? Options are: Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. The correct option is A. On 5th July 2020, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, has inaugurated program under which the state government of Uttar Pradesh has set a target to plant more than 25 crore saplings. Question 15. Intezar Aapka is a slogan recently given for which purpose? Options are: Make in India by Delhi government, Education Department by Rajasthan government, Tourism Department by Madhya Pradesh government, Health Department by Maharashtra. The correct option is C. In order to attract tourists in the state, the Madhya Pradesh Tourist Board started a social media campaign named Intezar Aapka, meaning waiting for you. Question 16. Sanskrit Saptahiki was recently in news. It is a: options are AIR broadcast in Sanskrit, website launched by Indian government, weekly magazine in Sanskrit, celebration of Sanskrit week in CBSE schools. The correct option is A. From 4th July 2020, All India Radio FM news channel will be broadcasting its first ever news program in Sanskrit called Sanskrit Saptahiki. Question 17. The Mangalyaan mission, also known as Mars Orbiter mission of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, has captured the image of Phobos. What is it? The options are: Phobos is the natural satellite of Mars, Phobos is the largest crater of Mars. Phobos is the highest peak of Mars. Phobos is the darkest spot in Mars. The correct option is A. Phobos and Deimos are the two natural satellites of Mars. Phobos is 7 times larger than Deimos. Question 18. A new free trade agreement between the United States, Mexico and Canada comes into effect from 1st July 2020 onwards. It is called NAFTA 2.0, UMC 2020, NFTA 3.0, WTA 2.0. The correct option is A. A new free trade agreement between the United States, Mexico and Canada came into effect on 1st July 2020. Earlier, 26-year-old NAFTA was into existence. Question 19. Who was appointed as the next ambassador and permanent representative of India in United Nations? The options are Syed Akbaruddin, T.S. Trimurti, Ashok Kumar Mukherjee, Indramani Pandey. The correct answer is D. Indramani Pandey has been appointed as India's next permanent representative to the United Nations and other international organizations in Geneva. Question 20. National Doctors' Day is celebrated on. Options are July 1st, July 5th, July 7th or July 15th. The correct option is July 1, National Doctors' Day. If you find this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. And all the best for your upcoming examination. Good luck.